Very good morning, children. Today we are going to start with the chapter 2, that is practice set 2.3. So the construction part is there in this. So we are going to do today construction. Draw a line L, take a point A, outside the line through point A, draw a line parallel to line L. So we are going to do the construction over here. So here first of all you will draw a line. Okay, so draw a line of any centimeter, take it, draw a line, okay, and then you will take a point. So this line, name it as L. Take a point above anywhere outside the line. Suppose this point I have taken above the outside the line. Now you will use the two set square. As I am placing it, same exactly you will place it, okay. So here you will place it exactly the same. Like this you will place it, and then you will extend this one with set square, and then remove your set square, and from the scale you will extend this line through that side also. So you will just draw the line from this point, exactly how this set square you will arrange it, and then you will draw the line from a point, okay, and then remove the set square and extend this line, okay. Can you see this line? Then remove it and then name it, label it as M, okay. This is L and this is M. So this two line we have drawn. So here this is what, here set square, with the help of the set square we have drawn the line M and line L. Line M is parallel to line L. Then question number 2, that is draw a line L, take a point T outside the line, through point T draw a line parallel to line L. So first of all we will draw a line, take any length of a line and then name it as L, okay. Then take a point outside the line. So anywhere you can take it. Suppose here I have taken T, okay. So from there what you will draw? You will draw the perpendicular to the line L, okay. So you will draw the perpendicular to the line L and check it with your protractor that it is 90 degree or not, it is perpendicular or not. So it's a perpendicular. Now what we will do? From the on the line L we will take a perpendicular distance from the line L, okay. So take anywhere point. Suppose this I have taken as A. So take it another point on that line B and draw the perpendicular on it, okay. So draw the perpendicular on it. Then join the two points. Extend this T point also. And what you are going to do? From your compass, adjust the point AT. Are you getting? Adjust the point AT, and same distance you will cut it on this intersection point. You will take it and you will join it. Are you getting, students? So this is parallel. Suppose this, name it as C. So now what we are getting? This is M and this is L. So L is parallel to M. Now the third question, draw a line M, draw a line N which is parallel to line M at a distance of 4 centimeter from it. So now we are going to draw the parallel lines. So first of all you will draw the base, that is you will, from the scale you will draw the base first. Suppose here I have drawn the base, okay. Now name it as M and name it as, in the between you name it as A, okay. So now from A and here point, give it suppose another point B. So from A you will draw first of all the perpendicular, okay. So perpendicular is drawn, that is your P. So now you will take the perpendicular on point A with the help of your protractor you will take, and similar way from the point B also, from the help of your protractor, you will draw 90 degree. So now you will join it. Okay, so you will join it through your scale. With the help of your scale, you will join these two and then put it the arrows. Okay, now what we will take it, with the help of your compass, you will take the 4 centimeter, adjust the compass accordingly 4 centimeter and put an arc on it. Similar way on the point B also, on that line also you will put an arc. Okay, and then that intersection point you will get, that you will join with the scale. Okay, and then this is called the parallel line and name it as N. So here this is 4 centimeter and this is also 4 centimeter. So here you can name it as PQ. So AB is parallel to PQ or M is parallel to N.